Troubleshoot. macOS Mojave installation stuck, frozen, failed, solved.
Follow me to fix the issues for your Mac.
Fix 1. Force restart or reboot Mac. Press and hold power button only to turn off MacBook. Again press power button to turn on it. Fix 2. Reset at PRAM or PRAM. 1. Shut down your Mac. Then turn it on and immediately press and hold these 4 keys together. Opti. 2. You can release the keys after about 20 seconds, during which your Mac might appear to restart. 3. On Mac computers that play a startup sound, you can release the keys after the second startup soon. Fix 3. Start Mac in safe mode. Safe boot your Mac. 1. Start your Mac. 2. Press and hold the Shift key from Mac keyboard. 3. The Apple logo should appear on screen. 4. When a login window appears, to release the Shift key and log in with the specific user account. 5. You may be required to log in twice if you have File Vault turned on. Install Mojave. Startup from macOS Recovery. 1. macOS Recovery installs different versions of macOS depending on the key combination you use while starting up. Turn on or restart your Mac. Then immediately hold down one of these combinations. Command R. Install the latest macOS that was installed on your Mac, without upgrading to a later version. Option Command R. Upgrade to the latest macOS that is compatible with your Mac. Shift Option Command R requires macOS Sierra 10.12.4 or later. Install the macOS that came with your Mac, or the version closest to it that is still available. 2. Press Command Option Escape to force quit any application that's not responding. Get amazing quick new tips and video tutorial. Like this video and subscribe this channel to get more.